How to extract RAR files on Winrar on Windows PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to extract Winrar files on PC easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to your document. This is my RAR document. Now if you want to extract, click on the right mouse right here and then click on this option. It's extract here. Now as you can see, we just extracted the file right here, and if you want to extract it in another for example in documents or pictures or any place, click again here and click extract documents and choose any destinations you want here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end.